Hello everybody. Today I will be demonstrating how to use My Storybook Creator to help promote and strengthen literacy and comprehension in the classroom. My Storybook Creator can be used on an iPhone or iPad device. There are similar apps offered on other non-Apple platforms. The app is a fun and engaging program that facilitates student learning through story making. Users practice summarizing and sequencing skills as they create storybooks over newly learned material or original pieces of work. My Storybook Creator can be downloaded from the Apple App Store. There are two versions of the app. One is a light free version and the other is a school edition that costs $3.99. The paid version offers more stickers and allows for a teacher to have many authors on one interface. To purchase the app, go to the Apple App Store and type in My Storybook Creator in the search bar. Here you can see that it offers the two versions. For this demonstration, I will be using the free one. Upon opening the app, you are asked to select an author to work on projects. Here are the projects listed, and then the option to add another book. To edit a story, simply click on the story and hit the Edit Story button. Here is an example of a story that was created after a lesson teaching the life cycle of a frog. The students can sequence the events using the features on the app. Students can use the book button down at the bottom to handle their pages. They can add subtitles to the pages, delete pages, add new pages, or rearrange the pages if they are out of order. They can use the writing utensil app to use various writing utensils, background colors, and adding shapes to the picture. They can also use the eraser to erase mistakes and then the trash can to delete entire pages. Once their writing utensil is selected, they can use the color bar down at the bottom to select what color they would like to use for writing. To add stuff to the page, they can click on the picture button. They can use the stickers that are featured on the app, add photos from the library on the device, use the device to take photos, or add text box with the text box feature. They can use the microphone to add audio to their work to give it a more personal touch. Each page can have its own sound recording. When they are done with their work, it can be shared via email, textbook, Facebook, and Twitter for all to enjoy. When a project is finished, it can be turned into a video and watched with others. Here's a sample story my daughter created, practicing sequencing after reading the book Let's Go for a Drive by Mo Willems.
Let's go for a drive. One day, Elephant and Piggy want to go for a drive. First, they get a map so they don't get lost. Next, they get sunglasses in case the sun is bright. Then they get umbrellas in case it rains. Then they get luggage to pack their stuff. Oh no, they can't go without a car. Elephant and Piggy decide to play pirates.
My Storybook Creator is a great way to informally assess a student's comprehension of a subject or topic recently covered. The app allows students to solidify their learning through creation. Thanks for watching my presentation.